Possession day.
I sold my townhouse to buy this house and I couldn't be happier. It was built in 1901 and I said I wasn't gonna buy an old house. This ancient newspaper was found in the walls during a renovation many years ago. I could say so much, but let's just start the tour. This is the entry. I love it. Lots of room for jackets and shoes. I love the character with the pine trim. My townhouse did not have a proper entry, so this is a super bonus to me. So we're going into the living room now, and I love that it's open concept. That was actually one of my must-haves when I was looking for a house. Love that there's a gas stove in the living room. And I also love that there's lots of different ceiling heights in this house. So it just gives it lots of additional character. I love this house. I feel like it has so much potential. The previous owners did all the difficult upgrading stuff like the plumbing, the electrical, the drywall, insulating the walls, but they didn't finish it. There's plywood countertops, no baseboards, and just too many different kinds of flooring in this house. All these things are gonna change when I do the reno. I feel like I'm getting funneled here between these two pony bulbs. Definitely something that's gonna change in the reno. Are your eyes getting drawn to the corner where that yellow room is? How about these similar yet different laminate floors? Those are gonna be on their way out ASAP. I love the kitchen, it's really big. I'm not sure if the video is reflecting the size of the kitchen so much, but believe me, it is. Great little peninsula, this cabinet floating next to the stove, that's gonna get moved. I eventually wanna paint these cabinets so it's lighter and brighter in here. And I love that there's windows in my kitchen. I've always wanted a window over my sink. The view from the kitchen to the living room. The light fixtures are also not my favorite, but an easy change. Little dining area, this yellow room, which will be the future guest room. So here are the stairs that go to the bathroom. You kind of have to go up a couple steps and down a couple steps. Not ideal, but not a deal breaker. My purple bathroom, which isn't gonna last for long, it also doubles as my laundry room. So we're gonna journey upstairs now. I love how bright the stairwell is. Now we're going into the master bedroom. I always wanted sloped ceilings when I was a kid, and now I have it. Again, not on my wish list, but total bonus. The master bathroom was never finished, but this is definitely on the project list. And I love that both of my bathrooms have windows. So this is my studio. I can't wait for this to be a place I work in. The yellow and green are gonna go, but I love the sloped ceilings again, and that I have a beautiful view out my window. And now we're going back down the stairs again, and you can see why it's so nice and bright with this nice window in this area. That's the end of the tour for now. But the truth is, I moved into this house about 8 months ago, and I've already done a bunch of the renovations. If you've watched any of my latest tutorials, you've already seen what my new house looks like at this point, because it's the backdrop for my intros. Really, I want to start transferring from just doing macrame videos to doing macrame as well as before and after videos of my house transformation and DIY home decor. If that interests you, leave me a comment below or watch this tutorial next where I transform a boob light.